Well, everybody's wondering how my setup works. I have a Yamaha MG 10XU 10 channel mixer. It's USB powered, and also I can use it as a standalone mixer. I also can plug my phone in and use it to do phone calls through the mixer and out my system through this jack right here. It has a mic input and a headphone output. The pink looking one that will come from my system mic, where it's plugged out through the mixer, and I use my microphone to talk through. And this particular mixer with it has its sound effects too. I hook it in through the auxiliary out into this here USB interface, which is connected to the laptop, in which here I'll just hook it up real quick. I'll run the FL Studio for you real quick. Okay, that's the FL Studio booting up, and this is where the audio interface connects to the laptop through the USB. And see this, here we go. We're gonna wait for it to boot up, and I'm gonna show you how the audio interface interlocks with the software. Okay, here's the MIDI settings, right? See, it says Digi Design Inbox 2 MIDI out, and then the input, it says the same thing, Digi Design Inbox 2 MIDI in as my input source, right? And then I have the output, sorry for the little bit of clutter, from the audio interface, which goes into my stereo receiver. Alright, and that sound comes out through my three-way Sony bookshelf speakers. And I also have, you see the VGA cord. You have out, which is my second monitor, which is a regular standard computer monitor. Okay, here I'm gonna play a little bit of sound so you can see. Alright, here I'm gonna turn it up. See, I don't have the mic hooked up right now. But I'm just gonna cut the mixer on and let you see that everything is running, but the mic is not hooked up. See, this is how everything works. This is my laptop screen, and this is the playlist. It's on the computer monitor that I have hooked up as my second monitor. I have the Fruity Loops playlist and the mixer on the second monitor. On here I have where you switch it over if I needed a beat or something. See? See? I don't have my keyboard hooked up. You see? See, I'm just going through the samples. See, I'm gonna open up another one. Right? And everything is controlled by this right here. That's my stop. This is you know, I can switch channels, and this I can switch the tempo right here. You see? Okay, that's it for right now. Maybe next time I'll hook the microphone up. This is the smooth one. I'm out. Okay, I'm gonna explain. This is my USB interface audio sound card. Now, this wire right here is the USB output, which is going into my laptop via USB here. That is connected through in the USB from the software. Okay, here I'm going to hit the MIDI options, and it's going to show both. It's the Digi Design, that's the input, that's the controller right there, inbox 2, and the output is here, the inbox 2, or I can use a regular audio laptop headphone jack output. Right now, my input here is, I'm going to show you. You have your Phantom, you have your XLR input right here. And then you have your other input here, which is 3/4 headphones, left side, and that is the right side. And you have your outputs here. This is I believe the left side out. That's going into my stereo receiver, which plays the music through my bookshelf speakers. And see, this is if you want to record out. This is your recording output. Right on the front here, you have your headphone output control. You have your main output control, and you have the mixing control. Right now, here you have the second button pushed in. That is your 48 volt phantom power, so to boost your mic signal. Right now, here on the next knob is to my channel 1, where I have my mic input. And then this is your line and your mic and your line switch here for one channel. And this is your line and your mic switch here for your second channel, and that's the volume. That's how it works. I'm just giving you a preview. Now, let me go back to where I was. Close that down. Let me close that down. I'm going to play it. See? It's playing. See? There's no... Everything is going through here. Now, see, I turn it up. I'm going to turn it down. That's the output. I have my headphones hooked up. Let's see. That's the headphones too, but you can't hear the headphone. Alright, now I'm going to put that back. That's what I was trying to explain. When you have a USB audio interface card, you can plug in your headphone mic with a 3/4, or you can have your XLR mic you can plug in. And it will play through the software. I just don't have the microphone hooked up so you can hear me speaking through the input right now. That's what I'm trying to explain. Okay, this is the smooth one. I'm out.